Hi, this is Crystal with iChakra's Smart Meditation Center. Today I'm going to be giving you a visualization for the Sacral Chakra, and it's one of my favorites because it really creates this feeling of passion, of excitement, of fire in your life, having a purpose emotionally for being in your body. So when I go through this visualization, one of the most important things I want you to remember is that it's very normal for your mind to go in and out of a visualization. All a visual is a powerful daydream that's going to manifest that excitement, manifest that passion in your life. So I completely expect other thoughts to flow in and out of your mind. I completely expect you to feel like the daydream is slipping in and out because that's what humans do. And just like if you were to sit on your couch and daydream about something, you would never worry about getting distracted from the daydream. You'd simply let yourself flow back into it. So that's what I want you to do today. Simply enjoy this moment where you're turning off the rest of the world and creating a new world for yourself. You're going to start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, absorbing the energy, and then slowly, about maybe 3 seconds later, exhale through your mouth. Now, the visual is going to begin whenever you're ready. You could sit however you want to, but a good tip is to try to bring your palms open. Don't close them off into fists or anything, or cut yourself off by crossing your arms. This is going to create kind of a block in your body language. So try to keep your palms open and in your lap. But besides that, I want you to be completely comfortable. Breathe in through your nose. Absorb this beautiful, bright orange energy up from above, in through the top of your head, and into your belly, into your stomach. Your sacral is right below your belly button. So that's the main area that you're going to be absorbing this orange energy. And as you absorb it, you're going to feel its warmth. You're going to feel its passion. You're going to feel this really comforting feeling in your stomach. And then when you're ready, when you fully got as much as you can emotionally out of that, you're going to exhale. And that orange energy is going to turn into this sparkling, amazing flame. This flame, of course, doesn't hurt you. It doesn't burn you. It fuels you with life. It is the very spark of what your life is made out of. So the brighter this flame is glowing, the more you feel alive inside of your body. The more you feel like it's fueling your soul with this excitement, this joy, this passion. And you could actually start to feel your heart rate beating a little bit differently. You could feel your blood flow changing. You're going to feel a physical reaction to this visualization. Again, let's practice. Breathe in through your nose, and it moves down your body into your stomach. Let it fill up your tummy. And first, you're going to fill up with this beautiful, comforting feeling in your stomach. Fills up with that orange light. And then exhale through your mouth, and it just transforms into this bright, beautiful, sparkling light. And you feel that spark of life inside of you. You feel that passion. And every time you do this, it's going to be like blowing on hot coal. Every time you do it, it's going to become brighter and bigger and more passionate as you do this. I want you to continue doing this until you feel as though your whole body is just lit up with passion. Until you feel as though it's endless, until you feel so sparkling, you feel so warm inside of your stomach. That's how you know you've reached that full potential and you've activated your sacral chakra. Once you get to that point, I want you to take a deep breath in of cleansing white light, fill up with it, enjoy it, feel it purify you, and then exhale, really relaxing breath. And when you do this, I want you to pay attention. How did you feel inside of your body? How did it make you feel physically, emotionally, spiritually? And leave your comments below and let us know how you felt. Also, let us know if you have any questions about this visual. Love and light.